How to recover your deleted Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can recover your deleted Instagram account. Now, when you go ahead and delete your account, you'll get notified by Instagram that your account can be recovered within 30 days of deletion. Now, after 30 days, your account will get deleted permanently and you can't get it back. So, if you want to get back your account, it's best if you try to log in within 30 days. Now, to do so, it's pretty simple and easy. All you need to do is head over to your Instagram browser on your iPhone or PC or any device you want. Go ahead to your browser or go ahead to Instagram app, and all you need to do is head to login and type in your email and password and click on login. Now if you do this, your account will open and you'll restore all the data and it won't delete. But if you have crossed over 30 days, then there is no way of getting it back even if you contact the support team. So if you want to get back or recover your deleted Instagram account, it's best if you try to do within 30 days. If you have crossed over, then there is no help. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.